You can now connect MCPs inside of Julius, and it's easier than ever. You can now connect your MCPs through our built-in connector. This means no more exporting, syncing, or switching between tools. You can explore and analyze your data all right inside of Julius. To get started, open Julius and go to Connect Your Data. Find the MCP that you want to connect to and click on it. You'll see connectors for tools like Notion, Intercom, Zapier, and GitHub, and even more. And if you've built your own custom MCP, you can connect that too. For example, with Notion, just log in with your account, follow the instructions, and you're connected, all within a few clicks. It's just as simple for the rest. Once connected, Julius can search, summarize, and analyze all of that data from your favorite tools automatically, in real time, and with complete security. Try it out today, connect your MCPs inside of Julius, explore your live data, and comment below to let us know what you think or which MCPs you'd like to see next. Try it on Julius.ai today.